Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself Dr. M.T. Bushair presenting daily weather briefing. In this presentation, I will be discussing about the past 24-hour weather that observed and about the weather that we are expecting next 7 days. First, let's look into the highlights of today's presentation. So, the maximum temperature are likely to continue to be above normal, that is appreciably to markedly above normal by 4 to 7 degrees Celsius over many parts of northwest India during next 5 days. And under the influence of a feeble western disturbances, light rainfall or snowfall likely over Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh during 4 to 7 March 2026. First, let's discuss about the observed weather that is during the past 24 hours. So the dense fog conditions prevailed in isolated pockets over sub-Himalayan West Bengal, that is the Pakyong, and over the Darjeeling, and over the Meghalaya also, that is over the station Barapani. Coming to the heavy rainfall observed, so over the Kerala, isolated heavy rainfall was observed, that is from the Pathanamthitta and Thiruvananthapuram districts. So coming to the maximum temperature observed, so the maximum temperature departure, if you look into this map given, we can clearly see that many parts of the northwest India it is red or in orange color, that is the maximum temperature departure were appreciably above normal by 4 to 8 degrees Celsius over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, and also over Bihar. And the maximum temperature departure was above normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, North Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, and it is near normal over the rest parts of the country. So the highest maximum temperature of 37.3 degrees Celsius was observed at Anandapur, that is from Andhra Pradesh, over the plains of India. So coming to the synoptic systems that observed, that is today morning, a cyclonic circulation lies over the Comorin area and neighborhood at 0.9 km above mean sea level. The trough from the Tamil Nadu to Marathwada now runs from the above cyclonic circulation over the Comorin area and neighborhood to the Vidarbha across interior Tamil Nadu, interior Karnataka and Marathwada at 0.9 km above mean sea level. A trough runs from the Comorin area to Lakshadweep area at 1.5 km above mean sea level. And another cyclonic circulation, upper air cyclonic circulation over the northeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Gujarat coast at 1.5 km above mean sea level. And another upper air cyclonic circulation over northeast Assam and neighborhood now lies over the central Assam and neighborhood at 1.5 km above mean sea level. The trough in the westerlies with axis at 3.1 km above mean sea level now run roughly along 94 degree east to the north and the latitude of 23 degree north. And another upper air cyclonic circulation lies over the southeast Bay of Bengal and neighborhood and extends up to 5.8 km above mean sea level. The subtropical westerly jet stream with a core wind speed of 120 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level continue to prevail over the northwest India, and a fresh western disturbances we are expecting from 4th March under its influence, very light to moderate rainfall or snowfall likely over the western Himalayan region. So coming to the forecast of maximum temperatures, so a gradual rise in maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius likely over northwest India, except over Uttar Pradesh where it is likely to rise by about 2 degrees Celsius during next 5 days, and no significant changes thereafter. Hence, the maximum temperature are likely to remain above normal, appreciably normal by 4 to 7 degrees Celsius over many parts of northwest India during next 5 days. A gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius likely to occur over central India during next 5 days, and no significant changes subsequent days. There is no significant change in maximum temperature likely over East India during next 4 to 5 days, and a gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 2 to 3 days. If you talk about the Maharashtra, no significant change in maximum temperature likely over Maharashtra during next 2 days, and a gradual rise by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days. And if we talk about the Gujarat region, a gradual rise by 3 in maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius likely to occur during next 4 days, and no significant changes during subsequent 3 days. And if we talk about the Northeast India, a gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius likely over Northeast India during next 4 days, and no significant changes thereafter. No significant changes maximum temperature likely over North Peninsular India during next 3 days, and a gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during subsequent 4 days. So coming to the multi-hazard early warnings, in day 1, that is valid for today, that is March 1, thunderstorm lightning activity likely to occur over Lakshadweep and Kerala, and also over Assam, Meghalaya and Sikkim region. Coming to the day 2 and day 3, that is 2nd and 3rd March, there is no warning for the thunderstorm, hailstorm, rainfall warning is not anywhere on the country. Coming to the day 4 and day 5, hot and humid condition likely to occur over Konkan and Goa region. And if we talk about the Gujarat and Saurashtra Kutch region, hot and humid condition likely to occur from 4th March to 7th March. That is 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th March, hot and humid condition likely to occur over Saurashtra Kutch and Gujarat region. We will come tomorrow with the updated forecast and warning. Till then, namaskar.